Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A17. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Password and Security. Go to lock screen password. And now you can select between numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric. Now let's use a different password type, and from this menu you can select between 6-digit password, 4 digits password, 4 to 16-digit password, pattern and again alphanumeric. Let's select only 4-digit password because they are basically the same, and the only difference is with the length. So let's set up 4-digit password. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select alphanumeric. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now, when it's done, we can set up fingerprint unlock. So let's go back and enter fingerprint. Now, add a fingerprint and scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's set up face unlock. And now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.